Hi everyone, my name is Farabi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for like last video. Today I am showing you how to create crop and animation crop in Premiere Pro. I import already to video clips timeline. We need to make adjustment layer. Make right click, new item, adjustment layer. Drag over the timeline. Now go to FX panel and search crop. Apply this FX adjustment layer. Again go to FX control. You can make right and left crops, but we are using top and bottom. So top 10% and bottom 10%. Second clips, we create animation crop, create new adjustment layer, and apply crop effects. Go to FX control. Now make animation keyframe top 12 and bottom 12%. Let's try create animation crop in Premiere Pro. Also I have tutorial how to create cinematic title in Premiere Pro. You can watch this. Thank you for watching this video. I like you always. Stay creative.